Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic syllables for intermediate first year students. So here there are few words are given to identify the number of syllables in the following words. Mention the number of syllables for the following words. Okay, for example here the word life. So to find out how many syllables are there in this word, we can write this word in Telugu life. Okay, so how many letters are there? One, and this is the second, but we don't count this half letters. So the word only one, life. So this is the only, there is only one syllable in this word life. So if there is only one syllable in the word, we can write that monosyllabic word. If there is only one word, monosyllabic. If there are two words, two syllables, disyllabic words. If there are three syllables in the word, trisyllabic word. If there are more than three syllables in the word, polysyllabic word. So here life is monosyllabic word. Here there is only one syllable. How can we find out the number of syllables in the word? We can write the word in Telugu life. Here we can count this as one, and this is, we don't count this type of letters as it is half letter. Okay, so life, this is the one syllable. So the word life, one syllable, so monosyllabic word. Here coming to this Sunday, so Sunday, here this considered as one word, and this is the second word, one and two. So there are two syllables in the word Sunday. So if there are two syllables in the Sunday, that is disyllabic word. Okay, next coming to next word, college. Okay, college, this is uncountable. So one and two, here there are two syllables in the word college. So the word college is disyllabic word. Okay, disyllabic word. Next, grammar. Here we can write as grammar, and this is the half letter. We do not count this letter. So one and two, there are two syllables in the word grammar, as the word grammar is disyllabic word. Next, coming to time. So in the word time, here only one word, one is count. So one is count, we can count only one word, time. So it is monosyllabic word. And phone, in the word phone, the n, it is half letter, so we should not count it. So there is only one syllable in the word phone, so it is monosyllabic word. Life, monosyllabic word. Sunday, disyllabic word. College, disyllabic word. Grammar, disyllabic word. Time, monosyllabic word. Phone, monosyllabic word. Person, next word is person. So here there are only two letters we can count. So person is disyllabic word. And the word doctor, this is also disyllabic word. The word mother, here we do not count this r. So ma and da, there are two. Okay, two syllables. So it is disyllabic word. Next word is direction. Here we can write direction. Here we can count three words. Three. Okay, right. One, three letters. Direction. Okay, so this is trisyllabic word. There are three letters. We can count three letters in the word direction. So this is trisyllabic word. And remember. Okay, remember. 1, 2, 3. Okay, trisyllabic word. Information. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is polysyllabic word. Here there are four syllables. There are four syllables in the word information. Four syllables in the word information. So this is polysyllabic word. Next, the word light. In the word light there are only one syllable. So it is monosyllabic word. Next, the word classification. One syllable, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 syllables in the word classification. So it is polysyllabic word. Polysyllabic word. Next word is telephone. Next word is telephone. Okay, telephone. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 3 syllables in the word telephone. So this is trisyllabic word. And last word, this is apology. Apology. There are 4 syllables in the word apology. So this is polysyllabic word. Okay. So once again here, life. The word life, it is only 1 syllable. So it is monosyllabic word. The word Sunday, there are 2 syllables. So this is disyllabic word. Sunday. So we can write into Telugu. ఈ వర్డ్స్ ని మనం తెలుగులో రాసుకుంటే ఎన్ని అక్షరాలు ఉంటే అన్ని సిలబుల్స్ ఇలా ఈజీగా మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ వెరీ ఈజీ when we write this word into Telugu, and we do not count the half letters like n, d, and also some, come. Okay, this word considered as only 1 letter. దీన్ని మనం ఒకటిగా కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. Okay, so life 1 syllable, monosyllabic word. Sunday, it has 2 syllables, so disyllabic word. College, it has only 2 syllables, so this is more disyllabic word. Grammar, in the word grammar, when we write into Telugu, there are 2 letters we can count, so this is 2 syllabic word. Okay, so disyllabic word, 2 syllables. There are 2 syllables, so disyllabic word. And monosyllabic word, time. Phone, monosyllabic word. Person, disyllabic word. Doctor, disyllabic word. Mother, disyllabic word. Direction, trisyllabic word. Remember, trisyllabic word. Information, polysyllabic word. Light, 1 syllable, so this is monosyllabic word. Classification has 5 syllables in the word classification, so this is polysyllabic word. Telephone, it has 2 syllables, so it is trisyllabic word. Apology, in the word apology there are 4 syllables, so it is polysyllabic word. Okay, I hope you can understand well. Thank you once again for supporting me. We will meet you in the next class.